On the wider front of housing supply, it is encouraging to see at last in Dublin and in other parts of the country we're seeing housing starts showing considerable growth. They still are well short of where they need to be, and the measures that the Minister is taking to streamline planning processes, make it easier to access finance, easier to build, those measures will assist in accelerating the housing supply, which I think every member of the House has recognised is the key solution.